Hi friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family is fine and well. Today we're going to see step by step guide how to create video from text. Now this particular topic is very popular on YouTube nowadays because creating your own video for YouTube is very hectic. Okay, so take help of AI technologies. Okay, AI means artificial intelligence tools. Take help of that. So we'll see one AI technology that will create my video from text. Okay. So first question arises here: how can I get text? So one more AI tool is there nowadays. It is very popular, Chat GPT. I hope you know this particular name. So from help of Chat GPT, okay, you will be able to create content for your video. Okay. So I have already created some content. Okay, with the help of Chat GPT. I asked ChatGPT to write one text YouTube video script for me on particular topic. Okay, from there, from ChatGPT, I have copied that particular text, and this in this particular AI tool. Okay, I will paste here, and it will generate me video. Open any browser. So as you can see, I'm using Chrome. Okay, in Chrome you have to search AI software. Okay, Lumen5.com. Once you will search here, okay, you land on this particular their official page. So if you're a new user, you need to sign up first. If you once click on sign up, you will get this particular interface. You have to type your full name, your email id, and you have to manually create one password. So as I have already created, so I will not create account again. So instead of that, I will click on login. So once I will click on login, they will ask my mail id. So I will write here my mail id. Okay, after it I will type my password. Okay, after typing password I will click on login. So once I click on login, I will enter in my this particular software home page. So now I want to create new video, right, from text. So text I have copied from Chat GPT terminal. Okay, now I will click on here new video because I want to create a new video. So once I click new video, they will ask me to choose templates. There are many templates. You can use any template. Okay, so let's suppose I'm choosing this one, a smart template. Okay, I will click on preview, and they will show me how it will look like video. Okay, now I will select the 16:9 aspect ratio because this is popular for YouTube videos. Okay, now I will click on use this template. So once I will click on use this template, it will take certain time to generate my template. You can see here the template has been generated. Now in the left hand side, either you can import from any particular website also. Let's suppose any person has created blog, or if you provide here the URL of that particular blog, okay, and you want to create video from that blog, okay, so you'll be able to create. Right now I'm having text with me, so I will click here and I will paste my text here. So you can see here this text generated from by ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm using this particular text. Okay, so you can see here I have just pasted here. Okay, Control V. Now after doing some editing, you can see here in the below option you can find convert to video. This text, if you want to convert into a video particular template, so click on convert to video. Before that they will give two options: use AI to generate a summary or use every sentence in the story. So if you want AI, they will automatically create video based on this particular text. Okay, so you will go with this particular use AI to generate a summary and click on convert to video. Now I'll click on convert to video. Now you can see here it will take a few moments. It will take few seconds to generate your video. It will take a minute also. It will depend on your internet connection. If your net connection is fast, then it will take less time. Internet connection is weak, then it will take certain amount of time. So you can see here it is generating for me some video content from this particular text. So how my video will look like? These are the PPT of my video of each slide, you can see. Now if I will select the second option. So what is the meaning of second option? Use every sentence in the story. It will use all the sentence from my this particular text. Okay, content. Now I will select this option and I will click on convert to video, and I will click on replace all scenes whatever created by first AI by selecting the first option. Now what it will do, it will take all the sentence from my text content and it will generate me one video. Okay, see here it is generating right now PPT how my video will look like, and after it I will click on preview, and then after it if I want to download I will click on publish. So see here it is generating me PPT of my video. So it will use all the sentence from my text content. So we'll wait for that. Let's complete it. So you can see here it has used all my sentences from my text content. Okay, now if I want, you can swap also the design. See here how design is looking like. If I want to change, okay, so I will click on swap design. Once I click on swap design, okay, you will see different designs how my PPT video will start, what will be the configuration. So see here, if you want in this way, these are the designs which you can use. It is showing me the preview also. So let's suppose I am selecting this one. So if I will select this one, you will see my background, the PPT is changed now. Okay, if I want to increase for how many seconds this particular slide will be there in my video. So right now it is 5 seconds. If I want to keep for 6 seconds, I will click on plus symbol. If I want to keep for 7 seconds, I will click on plus symbol. So the time frame for particular this PPT in my video will increase. It will remain for 7 seconds at least. Okay. Now I will click on save, so that if I do not want to edit after editing, please always save, because sometimes if you will click on this particular close button, your video will be saved. From this point only you will able to start edit your video. Now I will click on preview. So once I will click on preview, you can see here how my video will look like. Okay, now if I want to decrease the volume of my music, so I will click on cross symbol. I will go to left hand side of music option. Okay, so I will decrease the volume of my music. So see here I am doing right now 40. After doing certain changes, I will again save this thing. Okay, because no voice in my video. So if I want to record my own voice for my video, so I will click on this particular record a voiceover on my video, and I will select this option, and I will, according to PPT, I will read the content of my slides and video will be played. Okay, now if I want to change the media, okay, whatever you can see now, right now my background is black for second slide. Now if I want to change the media, if I want to change the background, so I will click on media, and let's suppose I will click here for, I will search the keyword. Okay, so let's suppose I'm giving here money and I will press enter. So it will give me different this particular GIF. Okay, so I will choose any GIF from my this particular one. If you can see many of the GIF are free, but these are paid. Marketplace are paid. I need to pay Lumen5 if I want to use this particular GIF in my video. So let's suppose I'm using this one. Okay, so I will drag and drop here. So you will see my background is changed now. So in this way you can change your background also, your design also. If you want to save design, you want background will be full and this particular text will be in bottom side, or you can see here, I will show you. See here, I am selecting this particular design, I am swapping with this design. Now you can see my background is full of this particular GIF and my text are here. Now again I will click on save after doing the changes. If you want to change the format of your video, you can change, but this one is recommended for YouTube videos. Okay, now I will click on preview once again, and you can see here my first slide is this one in my video. Now my second slide background will be changed. See, okay, now I will close this, and if I want to download in my file explorer, I will click on publish. So once I will click on publish, it will take few minutes to get downloaded in my file explorer under download option. If you want to see this video in file explorer, go to downloads. So under downloads, it will be get downloaded. So downloading will take 5 minutes of time. Okay, because in the backend they will generate your video. Okay, so we'll wait for 5 minutes. So in this very easy steps, you'll be able to create video from text. Okay, so take help of Chat GPT, so that Chat GPT will write your content, text content for your video, and copy that text content after doing some editing. Okay, copy that text content in Lumen5 AI tool, and it will generate this particular video within few seconds. It's depend on your network connectivity also. So generally this step will take 5 minutes. Okay, now you can see it, before it was showing 5 3 and now it is showing 1 minute. So after 1 minute it will be get downloaded inside your file explorer. So I hope you'll be able to generate your video. You'll be able to create more number of videos for your YouTube channel with the help of this particular AI tool, ChatGPT and Lumen5.com. So you can see here that video is getting downloaded, which I have just created now. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you like this video and create more number of videos for your YouTube channel and upload there. Okay, so thank you so much. Please like this video, share and subscribe this channel.